Hello everyone, guys. Today I will show you how to tie a pillow for a gift. By the way, I also knit it for a gift. Of course you can tie it for yourself. Well, this is optional. To whom? As maybe someone will want a gift for them. Maybe you can see, maybe you can't see. I do not know. So I say 2 millimeters so that everyone understands. The yarn I use is called Picorca, a children's novelty. It's just that I have it so wound up, because it's not very convenient for me to take from such factory coils. That's why I always rewind it like this, for my convenience. You can already decide for yourself which yarn to use, but I use yarn with the name Picorca. I use hook number 2 because it is convenient for me. You can take the hook with the number 2.5. It doesn't make sense to take a hook with the number 1.5. Still, a hook with the number 2.5 is desirable. However, if you don't have a 2.5 millimeters hook, you can use a 2 millimeters hook. It fits very easily. You can take it in different colors like me or in one color. I'm telling you, this is already your fantasy. Whatever colors you want, knit them. For this pillow, we first knit a large circle. This is the basis for which our pattern fits, because this pattern is made in such a way that if we don't say a circle, then there will be nothing to hook it on. Well, because of this, of course, you will not succeed. Look at the beauty I got. If you remove a little bit here, then you can see the circle at the base. It is clear that it is very difficult to see behind this magnificent pattern, but if we want to look, then there will be a circle at the base. Of course, you take any colors, but guys, remember for this knitting, you must have a circle. Well, all the guys, please like, subscribe to my channel and write comments. See you.